The year 1931 was a big one in Chinese history. By August of that year, the three big rivers had all flooded so badly that most of central China was submerged. Over 100,000 people were killed in the immediate floods, but the survivors had problems of their own. The floods killed crops, washed out grain storage facilities, leveled houses, and destroyed roads. Many rural communities were homeless and stranded without food and without any way for aid to reach them. The flooding was so bad that the ground was still underwater when fall arrived, which meant that farmers couldn't even plant crops for the next year. To make matters worse, the government of China was so disorganized and weak from the wars of the last decades that they couldn't gather together the resources and people needed to save the stranded villages. Ultimately, this is why the death toll was so high. Millions of people starved to death, disease swept through weakened communities, and homeless refugees were stuck without shelter. In some cases, the situation was so bad that people resorted to cannibalism, eating the dead just to survive.